Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Luna Razu. It's Sheena, and today I just have a really quick flip through of a latest custom order that I completed. This one is full of, well, as you can tell, light blues. The main theme is actually florals and birds, so you'll see that sort of scattered throughout the journal, but the only difference this time around is I actually left a lot of the pages sort of blank, or rather undecorated, just because she requested more room to journal in. So I will be including a sort of a mini package of sort of ephemeras that she could play with and decorate the journal, when she decides to write in it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little flip through, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!